So students, we will solve this question today, question number 14. That is, X and Y are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 2:2:1. Fixed capital of the partners were 5 lakh, X 5 lakh, Y 5 lakh and Z 2,50,000. It is the fixed capital of the partners, means the capital won't change during the year. The partnership deed provides that interest on capital is to be allowed at the rate of 10% per annum. Interest on capital is to be charged on these capital at the rate of 10% per annum. It is stated in the deed. Z is to be allowed a salary of 2,000 per month. It is a salary of 2,000 per month, and we are making profit and loss appropriation at the end of the year, means 31st March. So 12 months salary we have to calculate. So 2,000 into 12, 24,000. Then profit of the firm for the year ended 31st March 2020 after debiting Z salary. After debiting Z salary means it is this 4 lakh came after deducting the salary of Z, means this 24,000 when deducted from the actual profit, the remaining profit is 4 lakh. एक्चुअल प्रॉफिट से जब 24,000 सैलरी माइनस कर दिए हैं तो ये 4 लाख नेट प्रॉफिट बचा हुआ है. तो हमें उसका एक्चुअल सैलरी पता करना है एंड देन वी हैव टू राइट इट इन दिस फॉर्मेट, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन फॉर्मेट. So let's solve it. So let's solve this question. See in this sheet that profit and loss appropriation account. So the format is this T-shaped format, that is particulars, amount, particulars, amount. So first of all you have to write profit by net profit brought down. Now in this question net profit is given as 4 lakh which has come after deducting the salary of Z, that is 24,000. Okay, so we have to add this salary to get actual net profit. This is 4,24,000 is the actual net profit. Okay, then next, out of this actual profit, whatever we have to give to the partners, that is interest on capital and salary, we have to show it here. To interest on capital at the rate of 10%. So X has invested, X capital will be, X has invested 5 lakh. So 10% of 5 lakh is 50,000. Always capital, interest on capital is calculated from the date of investment of capital till the end of the year. Okay, so X capital, Y's capital, Y's interest on capital is again 50,000. It is of 5 lakh. Y's capital is 5 lakh and 10% of 5 lakh is 50,000. Then Z's capital, Z's capital is around 2,50,000. 10% of this 2,50,000 is 25,000. So 1,25,000 is interest on capital. Okay, now Z salary, salary, you have to write salary and write Z's capital. It will be transferred to its capital account. So Z salary is 2,000 per month. 2,000 into 12, 24,000. So now nothing is left. No interest on drawing is there. No commission. Nothing is there. So you have to total these two. This is 4,24,000. Okay, and this is 2,49,000. When deducted from 4,24,000, it will be around 2,75,000, which is to be divided between, this is the profit, whatever balancing figure comes in the debit side is the profit of the firm, profit and loss appropriation. Okay, profit on appropriation we will say 2,75,000, which will be divided between the partners X capital, Y's capital and Z's capital, because it will be transferred to capital account. So 2,75,000. Now see the working note. Working note X capital will be 2,75,000. This profit 2,75,000 will be divided in their ratio. Their ratio is 2:2:1 given in the question. So 2 plus 2 plus 1, that is 5, means 2 by 5, 2 by 5 and 1 by 5 is their profit sharing ratio. So 2,75,000 into 2 by 5 will be around 1,10,000. So Y is 2,75,000 into 2 by 5, again same 1,10,000. Okay, and Z's Z profit will be 2,75,000 into 1 by 5, that is around 55,000. Okay, so you have to write here 1,10,000, 2,75,000 is divided between the partners as 1,10,000, 1,10,000 and 55,000 in the inner column. Then you have to total both the sides. 4,24,000 is the total both the sides. Now in this way profit and loss appropriation you have to do. Okay.